I would die without knowing. This is a nail fungus killer. It works very fast. Hello, nice to see you again on Clever Tricks. Today, I bring you an economical tip to save money, not to spend more money at the pharmacy. To do this, you will need a blender or a blender. I will use this one. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. And first of all, to start the recipe, we will need bay leaves. You need 15 leaves. Take these 15 bay leaves. Now put the bay leaves in the blender, grind them. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. After grinding, it will look like this. Now, take a jar, preferably with a lid. I will use a glass jar. You can use glass or plastic. Put the ground bay leaves in it, and let me know in the comment section which country you are watching this video from, so I can send you a special greeting, so I also know where my video reaches. After putting it in the jar, you will need olive oil. You can use any kind, but it must be olive oil. Add about 50 milliliters here. Cover it. For the second recipe, you need a pot. Add 300 milliliters of water. Next, take 10 bay leaves. Boil the water for about 10 minutes, then turn off the heat. And here is the finished product we have. Now you take another jar, use a sieve to filter out the leaves. Next, add 500 milliliters of water. Then you need to add 50 milliliters of vinegar. Measure exactly 50 milliliters and add it. So the first recipe is ready. You will do this. If you have fungus on your hands or feet, any kind of fungus, soak all your fingers or toes in the solution. Since fungus can spread from nail to nail, soak all of them. Leave it on for about 5 minutes. Do this every day. Then dry your hands or feet as usual. I always use this recipe, that's why I don't get athlete's foot. This recipe has been in my family for a long time. Now for the second recipe, take a boiled bay leaf, which you would otherwise throw away. Place it directly on the affected nail. Then wrap it with a cloth or gauze. If you want, you can use plastic wrap to secure it. Leave it like that for 2 hours. Then remove the leaf. For the third recipe, use a mixture of olive oil and bay leaf that has been left for 3 hours. Take a little bit every day, apply it directly to the affected nail, leave it for about 2 hours, then wipe off the excess. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. With these 3 powerful recipes, you will no longer have nail or foot fungus. If you like these recipes, click the button below to subscribe to the channel. And if it works for you, you will definitely want to share it with your friends and family. Hope you find it useful. Sending you a big hug, God bless, and see you in the next video. Bye.